Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so totally was not planning on doing this, and then I thought, you know what, you're supposed to be showing everybody your skincare routine, so we'll do the morning since that's what I was just getting ready to do. So I still have on my jammies, okay, and I left these on. I got this trick from my friend Mary Ellen. Hi Mary Ellen. This works like a charm. So you just take two scrunchies and you put them on your wrists, right? When you're washing your face, and you know how you get water and you put it up there. The water doesn't drip down your arms and get your sleeves all wet. So yeah, what I do is I wash my face in the morning with this CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. That's my big secret. Actually, you guys are going to laugh how simple this is. I do not get overboard with this at all. All right, so I first go in the morning and I clean my face with the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. I'm probably imagining this. This probably is not even true. But when I bought this, as you can see, I still have the original Mia. It came with a different head on it. It came with just, you know, the regular head that comes on it. And I swear, I never had any broken capillaries at all until I started using the Clarisonic. And then I got these broken capillaries here and here. I swear the Clarisonic did it. In any case, I backed off using it. I was using it morning and night every day. I backed off this thing and I got a cashmere head for it. So this is very gentle. You can just barely feel this thing at all, okay? And it's wet, so I'm gonna go ahead, because I just used it. I'm gonna go ahead and rub it on my face and get the rest of the water off onto my face, because the next thing I do after I wash my face while it's still wet is go in with my vitamin C serum. After that, see, my face is dewy and damp. Then I go in with my vitamin C. Now, this is an airless pump container that I put my vitamin C in. My vitamin C is timeless. Yes, vitamin C, 20% C and E plus ferulic acid. Okay, that is my choice. I've used other vitamin C's. This is the one I always come back to. But what I did like about Drunk Elephant was the airtight pumps. So my vitamin C is in here, okay? And I do 2 pumps, so that's that much. It would probably be a full dropper of the Timeless. And I pat it all over. And then I do this number, okay? I thought about Sharon Capehart because she talks about tapping your face, and I tend to tap in my serums. All right, so I just tap until it's in. Immediately following that, this has everything, all the goodness that you could ever want in it. Hyaluronic acid is in this. Matrixyl 3000 is in this. CoQ10 is in this. Aloe vera, a whole bunch of nice stuff is in this serum. So I don't need anything else, just this. So I shake it up, and as you can see, it is yellow, okay? And I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I put 6 drops in my hand. Then, because it's winter, I'm gonna take 2 drops of squalene oil. And then I just mix these 2 together, and same deal. Tapping it in, making sure I get under my eyes. Serums go first, so you always go thinnest to thickest. So once I can feel that the serum is all worked into my face, next thing I do is come in with my Timeless eye cream. Now, I know a lot of people say you don't need an eye cream. I'm going to tell you what. Before I started using this eye cream, I had crepey eyes. And within just like a very short period of time, I'm going to say 2 to 3 weeks maybe, they were gone. I know this did it. So I use this eye cream right here. It's just the regular one. Okay, I use that one in the AM. I have another one for the PM. My PM routine is much more involved than my daytime routine. So I just get a drop, and let me tell you, I just 1 pump, and let me tell you, that's a lot. Just bring it up underneath my eyes, patting it in, and then up here. and it feels so good. And just bring it all around. There's a lot of it, so it's really hard to pump out less than one pump. While that's drying, then I go into the kitchen and I get my water for the day. And inside my water goes this. This is Emergency 1000 mg vitamin C. And this one is in acai berry. Now they have others. I like pink lemonade and acai berry. Acai berry is my favorite one. This goes into my drink every single morning because it's important. Vitamin C on the outside, vitamin C on the inside. I swear this is why I don't really get sick with colds in the winter. So it's already in here. Cheers. I also have Bragg's apple cider vinegar in there. That has nothing to do with my skincare. But you could use it as a toner if you wanted. Dilute it, put half of Bragg's apple cider into a bottle with some purified water, and you could. So on days that I'm going to wear makeup, the next thing I do is I get my CeraVe AM and I put it on. Okay? So I am going to wear makeup today, so I'm just going to, I get one dot. That's all you need. And I just put it all over my face and I rub it in. Eyes are on. Now, if it's a day where I'm going to be staying in the house and I'm not going anywhere, then I'll just go in with my foundation. But if I'm going to leave the house, then I will come underneath with this Neutrogena Liquid Sheer. This is SPF 70. I think I am going to stop using this though because I've been reading some bad stuff about this. Or this CeraVe, and it's a stick. Okay, so you just, this has SPF 50, and put that on underneath my makeup, and then I go. If it's a day I'm not going to wear any makeup, which is a lot more than people would think, then I don't put on this at all. Instead, I'll reach for either my Drunk Elephant Umbra or my Josie Moran, and I'll put that on. I coat my face, my neck, my hands. The very last thing I do is get my handy dandy Carmex and come all over my mouth. And I don't color inside the lines. I never have. We have to hydrate them lip lines. But this stuff is really good, and then if I'm putting on makeup, you know, in a little bit I'll just wipe that off. But it keeps my lips from getting cracks and dead skin on it, and I like that. So that's it. That's all there is to it. That's how I do my morning skincare. Now my evening skincare is a little bit more complex, so we'll get to that in another video. Probably when I'm getting ready for bed, so you can watch me. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and seeing me again. If you're not part of the Fritzy family, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? It's important. It means you like me. Makes me feel good. And if you're not having a blessed day, please go out and be a blessing to somebody else. And until next time, love you, see ya. Bye. And I'm out.
Hi guys, it's Mary. What's it? What, are you flying now? Ooh, I'm the Flying Nun. We need this to come out just that far now so I can be the Flying Nun. I can be the OMG Nun. What is this? They're like bracelets that match my headband. Oh, you know what these are. I'm starting a new trend. My serum will go in with water better, so we're going to have to get it re-wet. Because it like took me forever to get in here. Oh, let's see, what can I use this eyes? Oh, what were you thinking? Why would you do that? You know that's cold. I gotta pee. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And every time that Mary filmed, Mary filmed, Mary filmed. Every time that Mary filmed, the lamb would hang out right over there. Do you guys ever even notice that? Just tap that all in. Just keep tapping. Just keep tapping, just keep tapping. I have no idea if that's doing anything or not, but I do it because it's fun. Really? Why does everybody want to bother me while I am doing this? It's Hannah at Longcomb. Really? Did somebody say you could text me Hannah at Longcomb? What does she want? Let's see what Hannah at Longcomb wants. Really? A pre-gift. Bonjour! And she thinks my name is Dina. Really? Bonjour, Dina.